strange things happening in my country nowadays, which is called الزواج العرفي. It's kind of
That's in Egypt.
in Egypt.
Yes.
It's called الزواج العرفي, which kind of marriage which they do not have to inform the parents or seek their permission whatsoever. It's a kind of hidden marriage from the society and the families. And she wants to know the Islamic point of view, especially that these people who has to undertake this kind of marriage, they give the excuse of the financial problems. They cannot afford a home and the rest of the expenses. This is why they have to follow this way.
See, there are financial problems and legal problems which people try to bypass in their marriage. But such a marriage should have been conducted initially by someone who ceremonizes the marriage according to the Sunnah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That nikah, in certain conditions, is not to be held in public because of these legal objections. But nikah must be performed. Even at home it can be done. It is not made necessary anywhere that the nikah must always be said in the mosque. Nikahs have been said in private, in the houses, but not by way of promoting illicit relationship. That is very important. If somebody has decided to marry a woman and the woman also decides to marry him and they have the consent of their Wali, if the woman is bakira, that is virgin, then such a nikah is all right, whether said in the mosque or in the house, in the knowledge of a few people. But the preconditions which I have mentioned, they must be met.